Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm at 17 Viola Square in Peregian Springs. This property stands out as a great investment or home to live in with all the attributes of strong capital growth. Surrounded by bushland, this double-storey, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is a short walk to everything. The bottom level of the home includes the kitchen, dining and living area, which leads outside to the low-maintenance backyard. Upstairs there are 3 further bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering a flexible floor plan for tenants and owner-occupiers. The block is easy care and has just one neighbour, which is a great feature for those wanting privacy. There are 3 schools within 1 kilometre, being Peregian State, St Andrews College and Coolum High School. There is also easy access to Coolum Beach with a footbridge from the neighbouring road. Thanks so much for watching. For those wanting more information or an inspection, please don't hesitate to contact any member of the Joel Hood Property team anytime.